Ladies and gentlemen, he is back for his second session. Happiness Murli on the theme Breathing and Leadership.
Are you guys full of energy? Yes. Can we rock for the second session? Yes. Will you participate? Yes. Then may I request all of you please stand now. And guys watching online, you are watching one of the most historic event, 24 hours non-stop management conclave. And this is the 22nd session, am I right? 22nd session, okay? If you are just logged in now, stay with us. 21st? Okay, this is the 21st session. And all of you, will you do whatever I am asking you to do now? Yes. Sure? Yes. Can we all prove to the online community that we are the best university in the country? Yes. Or in the world? Yes. Now all of you say Cheche Kule. Repeat, Cheche Kule. Cheche Kofisa. Kofi Salanka. Kata Shalanka. Kum Adinde. Okay, it means it's a African tribal song. It means hands on my head. All of you do the same action. Cheche Kule. It means hands on my head. Cheche Kule. Cheche Kofisa. Kofi Salanka. Kata Shalanka. Kum Adinde. Kum Adinde. Kum Adin. Hey! I am going to repeat this 3 times, and every time it is going to be a little faster, and every time you have to just shake your hips a little bit. Is that okay? Everybody with me? And guys online, are you guys ready? Okay, Cheche Kule, Cheche Kofisa, Kofi Salanka, Kada Shalanka, Kum Adinde, Kum Adinde, Kum Adin. Hey! Little faster. Cheche Kule, Cheche Kofisa, Kofi Salanka, Kada Shalanka, Kum Adinde. Kumaine, Kumadin, hey! Faster, Cheche Kule, Cheche Kofisa, Kofi Salanka, Kada Shalanka, Kumaine, Kumaine, Kumadin, hey! Very good, fantastic. Can we give a serum clap for everybody? Very good, very good. Just give a high five to your friend sitting on your left hand. Say you're awesome. Very good. All of you, please sit. Please sit. Can I share with you the second secret? What is secret number 1? What is secret number 1? Shall I tell you the next secret? Because if you understand the next secret, you will stay energetic from morning to night and become the successful leader. How many of you want to be a top successful leader? You say I. Very good. Now I have a question to you. Everybody knows how to operate computers? Correct? Now I have a very simple question. What is the controlling part of a computer? CPU, correct? If the CPU is conked off, it's gone, computer is gone. Am I right in saying? Yes. Correct? So for a simple computer, CPU is the controlling part. Am I right? Yes. Similarly for the CPU, like the CPU, which is the controlling organ of this human machine? Brain? Heart? Brain? Breathing? Controlling organ of this human machine. What is that? Brain. Brain. Heart. How many of you say heart? Put your hands up. Machine. Heart work machine. Okay. How many of you say brain? Okay. Let me cut short. Okay. The function of heart is only pumping of blood. Am I right? Am I right? It means the heart, one love, one dub. Correct? It pushes the blood out. It contracts and relaxes. Am I right? So it means 72 times a minute. This heart fellow keeps on pumping. That's all it does. It's just a pump. Correct? During bypass surgery, the heart is even stopped. You don't die. Correct? Am I right in saying? According to the medical community, the controlling organ, that means right from your birth to death, morning to night, one organ which controls every movement of you is called kidney. No. That organ is called your brain. That organ, right from your birth to death, morning to night, one organ which controls your every movement is called what? Okay, so I know SRM students are very bright. So I am going to ask you the second question. What is Amitabh Bachchan's daughter-in-law name? Daughter-in-law. Aishwarya Bachchan. Very good. What is Rajinikanth's original name? Very good. Yeah. What is next Kamal Haasan movie name? My goodness, you guys are rocking in general knowledge, man. Very good in general knowledge. So I am going to, thank you. So I am going to assume that you guys are really good in the next question I am going to ask you. Because you are very good in general knowledge. So I am going to assume that you know everything about one controlling organ called brain. Am I right in assuming? How many of you know anything about your organ called brain? How many of you know that? What do you know about your brain? The organ which controls your movement from morning to night. Cerebellum. Okay, what cells is there? Medulla oblongata. Very good. What else you know about brain? Neurons are there. Very good. What else you know? Pardon? It has a neocortex. Very good. What else? What? A little louder. It has synapse, it has neurons. Very good. I have asked a 10th standard biology question. That's all. You have neurons and axons. Some people have. Okay, now I think I have to ask a different question. How many of you believe that you have brain? Put your hands up. Very good. So all of you have brain, correct? But whatever you guys have shared with me right now is just 0.00001% of this organ called brain. It means we know that much only about my organ which controls every movement from morning to night. It means I know about myself only that much. Am I right? What I am going to do now is, if you have to really understand the secret number 2, you have to understand basic stuff, a very layman stuff about this organ called brain. Because every successful leader in the world understood something about this particular fellow called brain. So I am not going to give you a neuroscientific jargon here. I will put it in a very layman terms, very simple brain facts to you, which is very, very important as a manager, because I am going to tell you the secret once you understand the basic facts. Are you guys all ready? Can I share it in a layman term? Is it okay? I will not share in a neuroscientific term because you will not understand any word that's coming out of my mouth. Can I share it in a very simple plain terms? Okay. Now all of you are looking at me. Correct? All of you sit straight first. Okay? Now all of you are looking at me right now, whether you are watching it online or watching it live here. Correct? Now when you are watching me, that means you are looking at me, the back portion of the brain has to get activated. Then only you all can first of all see me. Now right from morning, you are paying attention to all the speakers here. Correct? Only if the front portion of this particular area of the brain is activated, you all can even pay attention to whatever somebody is saying. Now you have to understand all the different varieties of concepts. This area of the brain has to function. It's called the parietal lobe. Now for you to remember and recall and tell it to your own friend, Machan, summer session, recall, if you want to share it with your friends, this area of the brain has to function. For a very simple action, that is, you are sitting here watching me, see, different areas of the brain has to get activated. Then only it is possible for you to understand something that's happening in front of you. Now in 1909, a very famous neuroscientist by name Dr. Brodmann mapped every portion of the brain. He mapped every area of the brain, and he found is very simple, that there are specific areas of the brain which are responsible for day-to-day functions. There is specific area in the brain which is responsible for planning. There is specific areas in the brain which is responsible for organizing. There are specific areas in the brain which is responsible for creative thinking, strategic thinking, communication, leadership skills, public speaking. Any function that is required in our life, there are different points is there in our brain which controls that particular function and action. Everybody clear? Is it very simple terms? Understood? Now I have a question. How many of you in this room, you are aware of your own, some of your strengths? Do you all have strengths? Can you put your hands up and say I? Okay, put your hands down. How many of you in this room are watching live? Do you know that you have some weakness also? Do we all have weakness?